Four different kinds of green coffee. Kopi ko blanca guys. Here in the Philippines, lot of 3-in-1 coffee. Good morning guys, and welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the UE. Let's drink coffee ko blanca.
I'm not going to listen to you. No, tell him that. Why are you telling us that?
This is good guys.
We support ICE and we support America. They support terrorists and they hate America.
Not too much sweet.
Your actions. Their actions.
Creamy coffee mix. Green 45 Kapipino. Malunggay coffee mix. High in vitamin C and zinc. Moringa guys. Let's drink coffee. Moringa coffee guys. Malunggay means moringa. Try daw natin itong ganyan dito guys. Maybe this is too much. Maybe half lang. I don't know. Let's see. Too much this, huh? 20 pieces of this guys. Kay $2 guys. 20. Let's see. Lot of coffee here guys in the Philippines. 3-in-1 coffee. Different flavor. 3-in-1, 5-in-1, 7-in-1. I don't know if have 9-in-1. I'm not sure, but I know have 7-in-1. This one 3-in-1 too. Usually one mug. Okay? I-try lang ko ang one. Kasi ang mug ko guys is big eh. My mug is big. So one of this. One sachet. One of this, one sachet. Because my mug is big. Let's drink coffee guys. But usually moringa is a vegetable guys. That's so yummy if you put that in the peas soup with moringa. One sachet, 1 cup is good. If you put only nut oil, it's not good. Not too much flavor. Because my mug is big man to. Good guys. Let's drink coffee guys. Usually everything guys. 3-in-1 coffee here in the Philippines. Almost everything I like. Lot also of chips. Small chips and different kind of chip also, and also have what is called that, the Noodles, different kind of noodles. Like, oh my goodness. Only in the Philippines. Good morning guys. Kopi ko LE coffee. This is our coffee today guys. Low acid daw. Lot of 3-in-1 coffee here guys. I don't know if this kind of coffee is healthy. Lot of 3-in-1 coffee here. Good naman siya guys. Ang taste ng coffee good. But I think 3-in-1 coffee is not healthy. I don't know guys. But tastes good. Let's drink coffee guys. Today is Saturday na guys. October 11 na. Coffee. Try this guys. Greatest white. Tamang coffee.
They call Republicans Nazis, which is funny because Blair welcomes all.
The smell so good guys. Lot of 3-in-1 coffee here in the Philippines din. That is so good. Let's try them. It's so good guys and smell good. But I'm not sure if different 3-in-1 coffee is healthy and cheaper here compared to the Asian store in the US. Look like the price is 3 times. If you buy in the Asian store guys, the price of 3-in-1 coffee here is 3 times. I mean, the price in the US compared here in the Philippines, 3 times. Because we bought only this 3-in-1 coffee. I think 12 sachet is 110, like $2 only. In the US is $6. So enjoy 3-in-1 coffee while in vacation.
Well, it's not really fun much yet. We've been separated.
Australia.
So good. Look, is sarap. ginger. Good for the cooking ginger.
Hear the CEO of NPR herself say that truth is just a distraction,
That for our most tricky disagreements, seeking the truth
contributing to great stories like fat phobia and its racist past and present. Next up, I will ask this man what the ETA is on Trump becoming king.
What's the motivation behind the outfit? Well, I actually happen to have this in the closet, and I never ever wore it, and it happened to be a great day. There is still lots of the assault. The Muslim people are screwed. Let's be real about it. They have been decimated. It was a genocide, and it was an absolute murder of the human race. I heard today about 95% of the population remaining in Palestine,
IJ did it, and give me limited information. Okay, I can't give you more. Honestly, just hear me out for a second. Okay? Limited information. Can give you some more. This case was in Kentucky.
Yummy. Try this guy, Energy champion. Energy champion. Energy champion guy. Energy champion. I think look like Milo. I don't know. This is not coffee. This is energy. Look like Milo guy. Try. Lot of 3-in-1 overhead guy. Energy champion. Ganyan siya. Parang Milo yata. Try 5 try. Okay, parang siyang Milo. That is like a Milo. Quite. Official chocolate Chocomat drink of the NBA. Huh? NBA man lagi na. Maybe I'm strong after drinking this. Because this is NBA. Okay. Ang init. Hi guys, let's try this salabat guys. 3 kind of salabat. Classic, lemon, and calamansi. Need to try the calamansi. Salabat. Ginger to guys, ginger. Salabat is ginger. But one sachet. Salabat. Have in the jar also. But I like this. Maybe. Usually this is good. This is good if you coating. Why I'm coating, I'm drinking. Salabat. Ginger. Really good. This is calamansi. Ginger and calamansi. Let's drink them.